615.
What are they doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? Excuse me, what are you doing? You need to leave. You need to leave right now. Leave.
Clear.
Now. Leave. Okay? This is my house, my property. You need to leave. Okay, I'm ready. Okay, can you make them leave, please? Can you make them leave? They're videotaping down here. Yeah, there's people out here. They're videotaping this.
You can try to tell them. I absolutely cannot. They have a right to do something.
Hey, Julie?
Yeah.
Is Sydney awake?
She is.
Okay. Okay, you can go downstairs.
That's just sick. People are sick.
Look at the property. Look at the property paperwork. Plus, I guess you guys should have it. The top, I don't have it. I'm not a house broker. I don't have it. It should be at the bank or it should be with
Hey, Sydney?
Do
Sydney?
you want me to call her, Mark?
Yes, I do.
What do you want her to do?
They want her out of the house.
Call the housing company.
What?
Are you talking to her? You know that little line on the boat? Look on the stock market. Look on the boat. You see that little line? What do you think the revenue on that little line? You know what the revenue on that line was? On the gold stock market?
Hey, bro, you can film, but you might just turn off the light for me. It's pretty blinding. Please.
I can't see anything without it, man. It's a visual aid.
Maybe come over here where your boy is at, because he seems to be getting it.
You want me to get a different angle?
Yeah, because the light is just blinds us, man. That's the whole thing. It's
Oh.
up our night vision, bro.
Oh, for sure.
Like, I can't see right now if you have a gun or anything, or so if you just move that way. Like your boy, I can see him clear, so but you with the light blinding, it's really bothering
Is that here? Let me turn it down.
Or like I said, can you just turn it off for me, please?
Well, I can't. It's pitch black out here, man.
But come way over here, you're standing behind us, all that, and then I can't see at all. And I don't want to have to use my flashlight to illuminate you as well, because then that's when we start having issues and all that stuff, okay? Right? Let's work together, okay? Can you do that for me?
It's a new light, so I'm trying to like dim it.
So why am I getting in trouble there in my property?
Just chill out.
You're not in trouble yet.
Is that brighter? Is that good?
It's still, I'm just trying to see you. If I can see your boy, if it was you, I can't. So that's the issue. You feel me?
Beginning to handle 10 out ambulance
Good
overdose.
It's just the light.
You know, there's headlights out here and everything, man. It's just a visual aid.
No, not your light. It's not a headlight. Our headlights, they're not on.
Is there any water?
Right?
We'll get you something to say.
They're off.
Okay.
Alright, come on, man. Here, throw it in the car.
How the fuck am I getting in trouble?
Oh.
76 Roger.
Just come behind you. You feel me?
Oh, for sure.
No, don't turn it towards me.
Well,
bro.
I don't want
That was the whole
someone.
point.
The door being open?
I want someone.
Bro, that was the whole
Coming at me.
point.
You're not. We're just trying to figure out what's going on.
The whole point was you're blinding me, bro. That's what
Bro,
I'm saying.
I'm just trying to document the scene, man. It's not that bright.
Don't get me. I'm just here, bro. Get the scene in. Get the action, dog. Get the house, bro. Don't get me in.
Custody.
Cool. 459, bro. Oh, okay. Yeah. Bro, the light.
It's not that bad, man. I forget.
You cool, just turn it off. You're just blinded, man. You understand what we saying?
It's a new light. I don't like. It's not that bad, right?
No, but you understand it messes up our night vision.
You have to drive with headlights coming at you like the whole time. I don't understand
The
your.
headlights aren't directly in our face like this. You get it? You understand?
No, they are, man. They're when their cars coming at you, there's lights coming at you, man.
But you understand from our like we operate at night and we have to be able to see. So when they have that light flash, you know, like somebody take a picture of you at night, like what's those film cameras? They take a picture of you and you can't see no more. It's like, oh, so that's what we're saying from a.
Hey, SG, is it bad or what? Is this bad?
Like, be honest, bro.
It's not
like,
too intense.
Yeah, look at that. Thank you. It's a little intense, dog. It looks as good as mine, so that's all.
Yours is super bright.
I know, that's what I'm saying. His is just as good, bro.
That's probably like 3,000 lumens right there.
Yeah, that's full blast right there. I'm at like mid blast right now.
Here, hold on, let's light them up. To
You're telling us you're on white face.
You gonna light me up? All right.
Come on, bro. What you got?
456 615.
Yeah, you need this one.
These guys over here.
I'll tell you, bro, you turn it off on good.
Strauss, how you doing?
Hanging in there.
Nice.
You guys be safe, man. You guys be safe.
Howard Unit 211 just occurred 1455 West Boston Avenue.
Yeah, fresh charges.
And so a guy came into this house. The people didn't know him, I guess. And so they took him out.
Alright guys, have a good one. Be safe out there.
Y'all be safe.
Yep, have a good one.
Services guys.